I think misdemeanor manslaughter cases are rarely filed because it could happen to anyone. We don't have drugs, we don't have alcohol, we don't have running a stop sign at a high speed. This is just one traffic infraction where the police weren't even sure what the infraction was initially. They are now saying generally unsafe for the road. Well, how many of us have gotten tickets for being quote unquote unsafe on the road? We usually say speeding, running a stop sign. So in my view, because of Ms. Jenner's status, this case is getting a lot more play from law enforcement in the DA's office than any of us would have received had we been in this situation. Homicide, sex crimes, rape, there's a few cases last week that came in. So law enforcement has now completed its investigation of Caitlyn Jenner, and the way the process works is they're submitting their investigation to the district attorney's office, which is going to make a decision. Do we want to press official criminal charges against Caitlyn in court or use our discretion and not file formal charges? And that's what they're claiming here, but
go crazy with around here.
All right. So the district attorney's office job is to act in the interests of justice. Even if they can prove the charges beyond a reasonable doubt, the DAs can make a decision to not pursue the case in the interests of justice. Not everybody needs to be prosecuted. This is a former Olympian. She doesn't have any criminal record. It could have happened to anyone. So in fact, the DA could say, hey, pass. We can prove it, but we don't want to move forward on criminal filing.
I got an email from the sister. It should come from us directly.
The Pacific Coast Highway is a very difficult road to maneuver. There's a lot of things going on. They have construction, they have people speeding, slowing down, traffic, and I think the district attorney's office should consider that as a factor. How difficult is this road to drive under those traffic conditions in deciding whether or not to proceed with a criminal case?
So why are we not interviewing